Hey all you good looking people, we're here in North Lawson today and we're doing the North Lawson Waterfall circuit. It's going to be a shortened version due to track maintenance, but I'm filming you on the DJI Action 2, which I've just picked up, to get you a point of view shot to make you feel like you're walking with me. Anyways, let's go check it out, and as always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, and lace up those boots. Let's get going. So that was the North Lawson Waterfall circuit, although the shortened version due to the current track work on Empire Pass. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this POV experience as well. Anyways, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and I'll take care of you. See you on the next one, you beautiful people. Bye!